Well, guess what? They're trying to push me out of the race. Well, let me say this as clearly as I can. I'm staying in the race. I'll beat Donald Trump. I will beat him again in 2020.
Today, I remember where I am. Young, my fellow Americans, listen up, we made strides. 3.5 years took this nation on a ride. America's economy, the strongest in the world. Rebuilding our nation, let that flag be unfurled. Lower prescription costs, seniors getting what they need. Affordable health care, a record number free. Critically needed care for 1 million in despair. Toxic substances, we tackle and we care. We've come so far, America, look at what we've done. From the pandemic start to the bright rising sun. Together we're stronger, united we stand. Remember who we are, the United States, this land. First gun safety law in 30 years, we got it right. Appointed the first black woman to Supreme Court's height. Historic climate legislation the world's never seen. America leading the way, keeping the planet clean. None of this alone, you know it's true. American people, this victory's for you. Once in a century pandemic we came through. The worst economic crisis, still we grew. We've come so far, America, look at what we've done. From the pandemic start to the bright rising sun. Together we're stronger, united we stand. Remember who we are, the United States, this land. Greatest honor of my life, serving as your president. Though re-election was my plan, my time is now spent. Best interest of the country, it's time to stand down. Fulfilling my duties, no need for a crown. Thanks to Kamala, my partner in the fight. To the American people, you kept our dreams in sight. Heartfelt appreciation for the faith and trust. Together we can do it, in unity we must thrust. Look at what we've done. From the pandemic start to the bright rising sun. Together we're stronger, united we stand. Remember who we are, the United States, this land. Today I believe what I always knew was true. There's nothing America can't do, just me and you. So remember we're united, the states that stand tall. Together we achieve, together we conquer all.